First things first, identify the room that will transform into your recording studio. Ideally, this space should be quiet, isolated, and large enough to accommodate your equipment. Consider factors like room acoustics and the amount of natural light entering the room. Next, soundproof your room. This step is crucial in ensuring that your recordings are free from unnecessary noise. You can use materials such as foam panels, bass traps, and diffusers to absorb, reflect, or scatter sound waves. Remember, the goal is to create a room that is sonically neutral. Now, it's time to invest in the right equipment. The heart of any recording studio is the audio interface. This device connects your instruments and microphones to your computer. It converts analog signals into digital ones that your computer can process. Microphones are equally important. A versatile large diaphragm condenser microphone is a good starting point. It's suitable for recording vocals and acoustic instruments. Don't forget to get a sturdy microphone stand and a pop filter to reduce unwanted noise. Studio monitors are essential for accurate audio playback. Unlike regular speakers, they offer a flat frequency response, which helps in making precise adjustments to your mix. Invest in a good pair of closed-back headphones for detailed listening. They are useful for tasks like editing and tracking. Next, you need a powerful computer with a reliable digital audio workstation or DAW. This software is where you record, edit, and mix your music. Popular choices include Pro Tools, Logic Pro, and Ableton Live. Don't forget the comfort factor. Invest in a comfortable chair and make sure your equipment is at a comfortable height. Music production can take hours, and you don't want to strain your back or neck. Finally, take the time to learn how to use your equipment properly. There are plenty of resources available online that can guide you in mastering your gear. To sum up, setting up a recording studio involves choosing the right space, soundproofing the room, investing in essential equipment like an audio interface, microphones, studio monitors, headphones, a powerful computer, and a reliable DAW. Remember, comfort is key, and so is learning how to use your gear. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to create a space where your musical ideas can come to life. Because nothing beats the satisfaction of recording your own music, in your own studio, on your own terms.